What's up everybody, Jamie Hertz here with The Good Food Chef, and today we're gonna make duck dumplings. Now if you're anything like me and you've watched a movie and you've seen someone eating something in that movie and you get that craving to eat that, and that movie may or may not have been Kung Fu Panda, you might be in a problem like me where you wanna smash dumplings in your face until you can't walk anymore. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make the dough, the skins, the filling, and a little vinaigrette dipping sauce. If you don't wanna make the dough, that's totally fine. Go buy those wonton wrappers and you can just go ahead and just stuff them with the filling that way. The only problem with doing that is that you don't get that really nice QQ flavor that we all look for when we eat dumplings. So that being said, if you hadn't done so, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications because I make weekly videos just for you, and of course share and like the video. I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef. Dumplings, let's get this. Hey everyone, I'm Jamie Hertz with The Good Food Chef, and just remember, recipes can be changed to suit your own dietary needs or restrictions or what you simply like. Don't be afraid to get in the kitchen, and most importantly, have fun. Cooking should be fun. If you hadn't done so, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications because I make weekly videos just for you, and of course, as always, everyone stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you soon.